My name is Liam.
And I'm David.
And today we're gonna make classic scones with cottage cream and a little bit of jam.
Yes,
Does that sound good?
Yeah, it sounds lovely,
Sounds
man.
great.
So first things first, we're
Let's
gonna
get
grab
started.
the ingredients.
Let's get started.
We're gonna grab the ingredients to make sure we have everything. The first thing you need is flour. Grabbing some. to make those scones just perfect.
This is what we have right now. A little bit of butter.
Okay. So after we've done the scones, we're gonna serve it with some jam.
Okay, let's see what we have.
Okay.
Butter, lemon, egg, flour, and some sugar.
Baking powder, milk and salt, don't forget that.
Baking powder, salt, and let's see.
Do you see? Heat oven to 220 Celsius. Alright?
Yes.
Let's just...
Okay, this is the oven.
Tip the flour into a large bowl.
Where can we find a
A large bowl you can find right there in the corner cabin. So yes, 3.5 deciliters.
A measuring spoon!
No, yes, a measuring
spoon!
Tip, so 3.5 of those.
Actually,
You wanna pour the salt and the baking powder into the flour. So just a quarter of a teaspoon. Just very little, just very little. So if you come over here and you put the spoon over there, I'm gonna show you how much salt you're gonna need.
bowl. Yay.
That's the amount of salt you want, okay? So if you pour that down there, yes, great line. You're gonna grab the baking powder, right? And 1 teaspoon of baking powder. That is a teaspoon, no?
You found out what a teaspoon was. Can you see that, kid? Look at that. That nice.
1 teaspoon of baking powder, just perfect to make these scones lovely.
Are you ready?
That's quite a lot. That's quite a lot of baking powder. Now those scones are really gonna grow. Okay, we need something to mix it. Can you grab a spoon and mix it?
Of course.
Okay, so if you start mixing, I'm gonna pour in the sugar.
Are you sure this what I come?
So we're just gonna put it in for 20 seconds to make it really nice.
Oh, that's like great.
The next step is to grab your cutting board, and we have the...
Okay, guys. So in this, you're really going to want to
Not too much, man.
not too much. Just take
Spread it.
a pinch,
Spread it.
a pinch of flour. Come over here. We
Okay.
got the dough, right? We got the dough, right? So we're gonna knead the dough.
Okay, guys. So we're gonna keep on making the dough, alright? Since we don't have the materials to make a real dough, we're gonna use sand, right? So I'm gonna use the sand.
Oh, it's working now.
We're gonna use some of the sand to flour the table, right? So the dough, this is the dough, alright? So the dough doesn't get stuck to the table, alright? So I'm just gonna
You're a very smart man.
spread the flour. Okay, what? So now when we got the flour down here on the table, we're gonna take the dough and we're gonna put it there on the flour, right? We're gonna grab some more flour to take on top and on your fingers so it doesn't get stuck on the dough, right? So do you see me?
You're a really good
So I'm gonna make a classic scones formed bread, alright? So all you do is slap it. According to the recipe, it's supposed to be 4 centimeters deep to make it real nice and
Well, I'm going
precise.
to get my ruler. I'm going to get my ruler.
Alright,
Okay.
Well, a ruler is not necessary for making this, but you know you can always use it.
Let's see. Yeah, that's about
Yeah, that's about 4 centimeters,
Yeah, that's,
isn't
that's
it?
about it. That's nice. Nice, David.
Alright, so now when we got the dough, you see what I'm doing here? I'm just gonna go ahead and
Well, you need. We're waiting for the dough in the oven. I just want to point out that this is called a sieve.
necessary for baking.
It's an apron. That's an apron.
Something necessary you need for when you're baking is an apron. By how when we have
Wait! You know what's necessary? A cutting board.
A
is
cutting.
necessary.
A cutting what?
A cutting board.
That's right, Lion. So you don't damage the table, alright? So now it's been in the oven for about 10 minutes, and we're gonna split it so we can put the jam and cottage cream in between.
That's nice.
Are you following my steps, Lion?
I'm following.
Oh my god! Do you nearly...
Oh, that's a nice scone. Still moist
Right.
at this point.
So,
You're doing
let's
a good
imagine
job.
this is the jam, alright? We're gonna put the jam right there in between, and we're gonna put the overbun, and then we're gonna put some cottage cream on top to make it a bit more delicious. Do you have a plate, Lion? A plate.
I do.
And so it's really nice, right?
So just take your.
And that's how you make classic scones with jam and cottage cream.
Perfect. And all in one shot.
Ooh.